Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, y'all know we're gonna be building a gingerbread house. Now this is Vlogmas day 11, so y'all, we are almost halfway through Vlogmas. Now y'all, I'm so happy about this, so happy for the journey, doing this, testing myself, y'all, because a video a day and I work 2 jobs, insane. But before we get into it, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 1,500, y'all. We are close. We are less than 500 away, so help your girl out. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, comment down below if you enjoyed this video or if you're enjoying the Vlogmas series, and also let me know what you want to see on Vlogmas, since we do have roughly like 13 days left. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'm gonna start rambling on. So we're gonna talk about the gingerbread house. So I picked a 4 set, y'all. What prompted me to pick this was more so time. I don't want to rush through it. I don't want the editing to be short for y'all, so I got a 4 set to take me a little bit of time, hopefully an hour top, because y'all, it's like 9 o'clock. It's 9:55, y'all, so we gotta get into this because I only have an hour top on this because I'm going to bed. Your girl got to go to bed. But yes, I got this from Kroger, y'all. I think I spent like $9 on this. It was 50% off, which made me get it, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this, and I'm so freaking excited. Opening up the box, and oh wait, y'all, hold on. Oh, so I got the little icing thing, got the actual each individual house. We got this, some candy, and what else, icing, some more. It's stuff. And then we also have this as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and start from the beginning. So it looks like that you have to like break off like each individual piece, because like all the houses come in one. So we're just gonna break them off. Okay. Harder than what I was expecting, but of course they're crackers. So what do you think? And this is gonna leave a mess. Okay. And with the icing, best consistency nail pouch before using, place in a bowl of warm water for 1 minute. So let's go ahead, place this in some water, y'all. We have the icing sitting in here for a minute. It's supposed to be on warm water, but it's in hot water because my apartment complex don't believe in only warm water. So that's what that's in. So I'm trying to figure out like the best game plan for this, y'all, and I'm thinking like I build each individual house like with the icing, so we can like sit and hold before I go in and actually decorate it, because of course when you try to decorate, as soon as you like put the icing and put it together, it don't hold. So I think I'm gonna try that. So let's let this set for a minute, and then we're gonna get into everything else. So it's been roughly a minute, so we're gonna take her out, and she is soft, so that is a good thing. So I'm gonna pick how I need to cut it. Okay, 1/4 inch opening in the corner of pouch and gently squeeze. So we have the icing. So we're gonna cut at the tip, y'all. Not too much. Really very fine. So looking at the picture, y'all, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah. Just like this in a sense. I don't know if y'all can tell. So I'm just gonna start gluing. Oh no! All right, y'all, so the hardest part is over it because this right here took way longer than what I was expecting. So now we're gonna just go in and like decorate. So I'm gonna move this one to the side because that was the last one I worked on. I want her to dry. So we're gonna go back to the first one, y'all, and she is so cute. And we're just gonna decorate. Now I thought about doing close to the picture, y'all, but I don't think I can do all of that on the top. But I'll try. How she is, adore. Ooh. Yeah, we gonna try. And all right, everyone, that is it for today's video. Oh my gosh, y'all, when I say that this was hard, but it was kind of fun doing, you know, building my own little village or whatever. But I'll let me know which one y'all like the most. Me personally, I love Miss Triangle and I love Big House back here. These two look a miss, but it's okay. But y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Once again, thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And y'all, we are gonna be on Vlogmas Day 12 tomorrow. So excited. But anyway, y'all, thank you all for watching and watching my little gingerbread house fail, because y'all, this is a mess. I need to work on my like creative skills. But yeah, y'all, that is it once again. Oh y'all, I'm tired. It's late. I'm tired. I gotta go to bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow with a new video. Bye.